Hi there. To analyze information in Excel, your worksheets must have a uniform structure. Let's look at this table. It contains a fictitious list of companies with data related to their activity, their sales, and the number of employees. However, it cannot be easily explored as its structure is defective. For example, the number of employees cannot be totalized, the professional activity is not homologated, and the sales figure is scattered in 2 columns. It also has an inconsistent format that prevents totalizing it. QuickRows contains functions to easily normalize and exploit information. We press the Ctrl-Q combination and choose function number 3 to extract some of the sales figures that are embedded in column C, corresponding to economic activity. All you have to do is request the extraction of the numerical content in such a column, and deposit it in a new one. We insert the sharp symbol, choose the extraction column, and press the Go button. The new column contains now the extracted sales from the original activity column. Let's add them to the sales column. To achieve this, we will use the concatenation function from menu number 4, column operations. All we have to do is express the operation with the letters of the columns to be concatenated, and indicate the destination column. In this case, we will overwrite column D. Let's proceed to eliminate the sales amounts that we have extracted from column C, which are already in column E. To do this, we carry out subtraction of texts following the same procedure as before. This is, expressing the subtraction operation with column letters. The next step is to normalize the sales column to convert the text figures, like the word millions, into actual numbers. We will apply a simple trick. Let's eliminate from column D the decimal point that contains the millionaire figures, and also replace the alphabetical texts representing millions with zeros. The replace function is invoked from option 1, data selection. Simply indicate the original and the replacement texts, separated by the logical, or symbol. With this same function, we will also eliminate the excess commas from column C. Now we can apply an activity normalization table, which has been prepared in an adjacent sheet. Once applied, all the different activities will be grouped into 9 categories. These types of normalization tables can be easily constructed with QuickRows. We will load the equivalent category by linking both tables. We will use function 5, linking sheets. We begin by indicating the search or link key column in this list. In this case, column C. Now we choose the sheet where the table to be linked is located and select the linking column, as well as the column to import or extract. By pressing the Go button, a new column appears with the normalized economic activities. Perfect. Finally, we will try to totalize the number of employees, extracting and adding both numbers in the column. Function 3 allows us to do that task. We insert the extraction instruction of the first numeric string of column B so that it is placed in column E, overwriting it. Now we repeat the command to extract the second numeric string from column B, and place it in a new column. Great. Finally, we add both columns and place the result in the original column B. The normalization task is finished. Now we will remove the last column by pressing the red button. The information is ready to be analyzed. Let's build a couple of pivot tables using function number 2. The first table will calculate the total amount of economic activity for each business category. To do this, we choose the category and the column to totalize, and press the Go button. The second table will calculate the average sales amount, and the number of employees for each category. We're done. A difficult and delicate job was easily done in a few minutes. With QuickRows, the tasks in Excel are faster and easier. Try it now.